Hey everyone, welcome back to App Insight. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go viral on TikTok by using trending hashtags, songs, and content ideas that are popular in your region. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and in the address bar, type TikTok Trends. From the search results, look for the website ads, tiktok.com. This is the official TikTok for Business site, which provides trend insights to help creators like you. Once you're on the website, you'll see three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on them, and from the menu that appears, select Trend Intelligence. This tool is your secret weapon for finding out what's currently trending on TikTok. After selecting Trend Intelligence, you'll see three options: hashtags, songs, and creators. These categories show what's currently trending in your region. Start by tapping on hashtags, where you'll find a list of the top trending hashtags in your area. Using trending hashtags in your videos can dramatically increase your chances of going viral, as these hashtags are what people in your region are currently engaging with. Be sure to include relevant trending hashtags in your TikTok videos to boost visibility. Next, tap on the Songs tab to discover the top trending music in your region. Using popular songs in your TikTok videos can significantly increase your reach, as TikTok often promotes videos that use trending audio tracks, so make sure to incorporate these trending songs in your content. Lastly, under the Creators tab, you can see the top creators in your region who are setting trends. This is a great way to get inspired and see what type of content is performing well. Learn from these creators, follow their strategies, and add your unique twist to stand out. So, by staying up to date with trending hashtags, songs, and creators, you can create content that resonates with your audience and has a higher chance of going viral. Remember, TikTok promotes content that aligns with current trends, so the more relevant your videos are, the more likely they are to be seen by a wider audience. And there you have it. Now you know how to find trending hashtags, songs, and creators to boost your chances of going viral on TikTok. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to App Insight for more tips and tricks on how to grow your online presence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.